cry you a river. Water don't pass cigari. I'm supposed to be a humble nigga. Baby, if you leave me, I go die, yo. Your body nice, I can't deny, yo. Drunk in love, you make me high. Baby, I must dance with you tonight. God for daddy, don't be shy. You cross my eye and I feel you. All my men who don't demand you. Feel the vibe, feel the lamba.
The hair I will use in doing the natural looking sew-in is from Alipearl Hair. www.alipearlhair.com. They have their own website and they also have website on Amazon, which all the details will be in the description box. I will be using their Brazilian straight hair, 24 inches. You can see Alipearl Hair. You can see how the weft looks, very soft and silky. You can see the ends, and then the weft were constructed. And then you can see their frontal. I will not be using frontal to do this sew-in with. I think their frontal is 20 inches, but I will not be using it. All the details will still be in the description box in case you are interested to order bundles and a frontal. And I will be using their 24 inches. What I will do is to go ahead and co-wash the bundles. If they dried up, I will go ahead and spray in allergy powder, because the person that will be using the hair is kind of allergic to hair extensions. To prevent that, I will spray in allergy powder on the weft. which you will be seeing, but I will not be showing it in this video. I think you notice it on the left. Don't forget that the hair I am using in this video is from AliPearl Hair, www.alipearlhair.com. All the details will be in the description box. I will be using their 24 inches to do the sewing, and I will make sure to show you guys step by step so that you will follow up. And if you also have questions, don't forget to comment in the description box. Just stay tuned and watch this video, because if you watch this video throughout, you will definitely learn new things from this video. Very easy tutorial to follow. Don't forget that the hair used in this video is from AliPearlHair.com, their Brazilian straight hair, which all the details will be in the description box below. Everything you need to know about this hair will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, like I said, enjoyed filming it, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. And if you will try this kind of style this summer, don't forget to give a huge thumbs up and share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.